In this video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI to conduct market research quickly and effectively. To get started, I type a prompt into the search bar asking for a summary of the 2026 electric vehicle charging station industry, including current trends and the top global competitors. As the results generate, Perplexity highlights the rapid expansion of the global market, specifically noting the shift toward high-power, interoperable, and digitally managed infrastructure. The analysis identifies key trends, such as the dominance of fast charging networks and the significant role of the Asia-Pacific region in driving global growth. Moving forward, I decide to refine my research by using the follow-up bar to ask about a different market. I type a request for a detailed overview of the top 5 smart home security providers in North America as of early 2026, focusing on their market share and primary value propositions. Perplexity quickly organizes this data into a structured response featuring a helpful table that compares companies like Ring, ADT, and SimpliSafe. The AI explains that while the market remains fragmented, these brands lead through distinct advantages, such as DIY ease of use, professional monitoring services, and deep smart home ecosystem integration. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.